Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's video, I'm going to show to you how to create a intro split bar using Capcut application. So let's open your Capcut, create a new project, and insert the video that you want to adding this intro onto it. For example, I'm going to use this video, this one, and then adding it to the page like this. And as you can see, this is a video that I insert before onto this project, and the way to adding a split bar intro onto it, it's so simple. The first thing that you need to do is just to click this video clip and then swipe left the toolbar, and now you need to find this mask button, and now you need to click this mirror mask, and just like that, now you just need to decrease the size of the mask like this. Decrease it just like this, and now adjust and send back the position of the mask onto 0 degree, just like this. And the next part, you need to add a keyframe by clicking this button on this side. Click it and swipe left the toolbars onto the exact duration that you want to add the open black bars intro onto it. So I'm going to adding it onto this 5 second, or I think on just 4 second, and add the keyframe. Now you just need to release the gap from this mask tool like this and open it wider, just like that. And when you're done, this is the final result that you got. And as you can see, there's a black bar cinematic opening on your video. To make it much more slow, the motion, make it much more slow, you just need to move the keyframe onto a longer duration. So I think on this 8 second, go to mask, decrease this one, and just open in this masking, just like this. And don't forget to change the position onto 0 degrees like this. Finish, and this is the final result of it. As you can see, your video will be having this kind of effect onto it, just using this mask button and Capcut application. If you want to explore more onto it, for example, you can adding a text onto this video and insert the video onto the text, and you can add this mask button onto it, and your split bar motion will be have a text split onto it also, just like that. And that's the way how to create it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.